Hey all, Liam from Killer Ink here, and today I'm going to be showing you the Equalizer Fox Big V2 from Quadron. The second generation Fox Big tattoo machine has received a huge makeover from Quadron, both inside and out. So let's take a look. Unlike the previous model, the Fox Big V2 now offers adjustable stroke length from 1 to 5mm, making the rotary more versatile than ever before. To change the stroke length, simply loosen one screw on the accenter, turn it and set the appropriate length, using the scale as a guide, then tighten the screw again. It's that easy. Artists can now use both traditional tattoo needles and Cheyenne type cartridges with the second generation Fox Big machine, such as the world-class needles and cartridges from Quadron that we have here. You can also use disposable and reusable grips, with or without a collar. For those using traditional needles, there is a thick, reusable O-ring included with the rotary to stabilize the needle, which is more durable and effective than using rubber bands. To ensure that the Fox Big V2 is suitable for all tattooing styles, Quadron has fitted the rotary machine with a powerful and durable 10-watt motor, a newer version of the one featured in the first generation model. We recommend running the Fox Big V2 between 5 and 11 volts for optimal performance. The sleek design of this Equalizer rotary comprises a CNC machined, aircraft grade aluminium frame with anodized colour and an RCA connection that tops the scales at 120 grams. For peace of mind, those who purchase the Fox Big V2 will receive a 12-month manufacturer warranty. Designed by Quadron in Poland, the Equalizer Fox Big V2 is available to order from Killer Ink via the link in the description below. So now that you've seen the Fox Big V2, what do you think? Will this Quadron rotary be your next rotary machine? As always, let us know in the comments below, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.